Hello, and welcome to part 2 of a series of presentations from Trinity Tutors on the use of punctuation marks. Punctuation is an important part of written language. It's a symbolic system of visual cues which accompany words to form sentences and paragraphs, a collection of marks used to make it easier to understand written material. When people have a conversation, they modify their speech in certain ways in order to clarify their messages. However, when writing, we need punctuation marks to do that for us. Punctuation makes sentences easier to read by telling the reader how words are meant to be spoken. To help you use punctuation marks well, this presentation will explain each mark and provide you with directions and examples that clarify when and how to apply them. Just keep in mind that the ultimate goal of punctuation is to always make things as clear for the reader as possible. In part 1, we looked at periods, question marks, exclamation points, and commas. In part 2, we'll begin with optional uses for commas and continue on from there. We already mentioned that you can place a comma before a coordinating conjunction to form a bigger, more beautiful compound sentence, while making sure it's still easy for the reader to understand. However, some regard this as an option rather than a rule, and consider it to be a matter of stylistic choice. Another way commas can be used stylistically is to set words on pedestals. Since commas tend to slow a reader down, you can use them to draw the reader's attention to a particular part of a sentence.